Ito ba yung the Foxstick use window?
For you, anayitan nyo ang tatlong paraan para magka-extra income. Bills payment, e-loading, and cash in. But wait. Meron pa! Additional extra income, Piso Wi-Fi. 3-in-1 coin slot, ito. Piso Wi-Fi coin slot, ito. Basta window for you!